Hey bro, come on in. I hear you have a new air fryer.
Angus, why does your house smell like hot fries?
That's not fries. That's luxury.
Why do I already regret coming over?
That's wellness.
Why does that sound like something I should run from?
Welcome to the future of relaxation.
Is that a giant air fryer?
No, it's an air fryer sauna.
Dude, that's genius, a giant air fryer sauna. Why am I not surprised?
Go get changed.
Hey boys, hey Angus, can I come in for an air fryer sauna?
Sure, come on in.
Can you close the door, boys? You're letting the crisp out.
Why is your neighbor in your air fryer?
She booked the deluxe dry heat
I
session.
can't believe I'm sitting inside a kitchen appliance.
Relax, dude. This is the crispiest I've felt in years.
I hate that that almost sounds healthy.
See? Luxury.
Angus, are you gonna join us?
Yeah, come on Angus, join us. Oh yeah, I'm in.
Oh no, please don't say Max Crisp.
Plenty of room for 3. Perfectly safe. You've got gentle warm, light crisp, roast. Relax. It's only preheating.
Well, at least I'll leave golden brown.
Next time, maybe we could just have a coffee.